Hi, today we will learn about the phrase be grounded in something. It means to have a strong base or solid knowledge in something. For example, you can be grounded in science or math. It shows that you really understand the subject well. You always say be grounded in, never grounded on. This phrase is useful when you talk about skills or ideas. For example, her knowledge is grounded in experience. Or, the plan is grounded in facts. You can use it to describe people, ideas, or even companies. Remember, it is inseparable. You cannot say grounded something in. It is always be grounded in something. It's a great phrase for both speaking and writing. Try to use it when you want to show a strong foundation. For example, he is grounded in good principles. Or, their work is grounded in research. Practice makes perfect. Use this phrase in your daily conversations. It will help you sound more natural and confident. Thanks for watching. See you next time.